I don't know how loud this music is gonna get. I'm listening to Minecraft Tetris original soundtrack. 15 minutes long. I have no idea what Minecraft Tetris is. Is this like its own standalone game, or is it like a console thing? DLC, world download, whatever they call them. What am I working on? A fire. That's what I'm working on. So I downloaded some packages. Apparently Unity released some effects packages. Tiny. Is this on prefab? Yes. There it is. That doesn't... I don't know if I would describe this as tiny. Let's, I guess, resave this prefab. Cauldron fire. Original. I'm not even 100% certain what the variants are meant for. Maybe if there are... Maybe the parameters take effect from the master unless changed in the variant. I don't know. I feel like this looks good enough. Oop. That was wrong thing. There we go. Oh, that's neat. Start size. Okay. I don't really know what difference of this is. I don't know, it kind of looks like both of these values affect both axes, the scale of both axes. But maybe I do want to actually change this. I guess this would be the most helpful if I actually put it where I wanted to put it. There, that's it. Yeah, I still have to make logs, wood to put under this. 25, 25. I have no idea how to use the particle system in this. Start lifetime to 20. Oh, no, this is still going. Great. YouTube Music must have done something that fucked up their interface, and the toggle autoplay button is hidden. You can unhide it, but I think, yeah, since I'm using this as like a standalone program, I don't get access to the HTML like a web browser. Whoa. Interesting. That lifetime in seconds. Particle will die when it reaches lifetime of 0. Yeah, and you apparently play the particle animation that slow too. Gravity modifier. Oh. Nice. Emission. Rate over distance? Babe, how do I just like... How do I make it so that the particles just spawn closer to the center? Babe, radius. This could be it. That's it. Does Unity not have Alt? Alt seems to slow down a little. Last song. Oh, this is... I was gonna say it's definitely not centered, but it looks pretty close from a vertical angle like this. Sure, that's close enough. Size over lifetime. I mean, it gets bigger over its lifetime? I guess so. Point 6. Wait, there's 2. What if I change this? This too. Okay. Let's... You know what? Let's shuffle this. Volume alpha. Shuffle. Hell yeah. New music. I don't even know if this is considered new music anymore. This has probably been out for a few years now. Random between 2 constants. That's what this is. Okay. I mean, honestly, this is probably fine. I need to figure out which variables I want to change to, I guess, to indicate different heat levels. Hemisphere, cone, donut, box, mash. I do mash. Oh. If I were to Ellen body, who the hell is this? Ellen? Wait, does this actually load the mesh? I don't think I want to do that. Bread. Okay, I think that's just a visual representation. Yeah, this could be useful once I actually have, once I actually have, the log models. But that could be years before I have that. Shin. Five. This does look a little weird. The length of time the particle system is emitting particles, the system is looping, this indicates, oh, I don't think that will actually do anything. Delta scale? Simulation speed? Oh. And that speeds up the entire simulation. I thought it would be... How do I just change the speed of the fire animation playing? Is that like a material thing? I don't think it's in there. Noise? Collision. Ooh. Let's change this back to then the size. I don't think that's working. Okay. What do you mean? Which cauldron is the right one? This one doesn't actually have... Yeah, that's the one with the collider. I don't even know what this is doing. Collide with a list of planes or the physics world. Alright, maybe I don't want collision on. Too confusing for me. Oh, texture sheet animation. Aha. Cycles. 2. That doesn't work with this. Speed. FPS. I don't know how many frames are in this. Well, that looks weird. Here's the FPS. 11 by 11. That should, what is it, 121? I should be able to do this in my head. 121. I don't know, 60 FPS? 650. 50 FPS. Maybe alright. I'm assuming I can change all of these variables. Fire. Controls. Call it generic fire. Whatever, I can always rename it. That what it is? Is it a particle system? Yes, it is. Awake. Awaken. Nope. Maybe I do want to actually change this. Well, I think if I'm gonna end up using a mesh for the shape, then I probably can't use that. So rate over time. Yeah, I'm gonna need to look this up. API? I don't know if API is... Oh, maybe it is. I think I have to... Under emission... Okay. Enum types. Cooking temperature. I could maybe use these. Cooking temperature or fire size. I mean, I guess that's more descript. low, medium, and high. Sure. Perfect. Extract. Fire. That's fire state. Public float. I have to serialize that somehow. Fire. Is it somewhere? There it is. Oh, right. Do I want to use serializable? I'm also curious if this has to be here. Does not work with structs. Oh. Okay. Serializable is what I need. Public fire state high fire. Public state medium fire. Their size. So what did I want to change? I think rate over time was one. There's probably a size. Start size. Let's keep these uniform. Ooh. Oh, I probably can't do that with structs, can I? Nope. Fine. Size over lifetime might be fine, because I think those are relative size changes. Really all I need to change? Doesn't seem like it's enough. Now I'm thinking about it. I may want this to be a class. Ooh, radius. Minus 0.25. And then rate over time 0.8. Oh, this might not be as smooth of a transition as I was hoping. Because every time... Yeah. Probably fine. Which... There you go. Apply fire. emission. Doesn't work that way. Oh, don't tell me this is read-only. I mean, it's not a variable. What? Not modify the return value of product emission because it is not a variable. What the fuck are you talking about? What was it? Particle system dot emission module. Okay. That's fucking stupid. Start size is under, I guess, the root. What do you mean it's deprecated? What do you want me to do? Initial size of particles when emitted when using curves. This value acts as a scale curve. Also a float. I would think it would be a vector too. Start size. Simulation is not supported because local space. Oh. Yeah, there are so many options in here. I really hate it when it tells you that something is deprecated, but it doesn't tell you what it's been replaced with. Ooh, maybe this is it. Here we go. Min-max curve. I don't want it to be. Just what I gotta do. Reedy. No. size multiplier. I don't know what that does. Alright, I'll just do this. And size. I have to do the same thing. Can't modify the return because it is not a variable. Yep. What is it? Main is main manual. Manual? Main module. MM. Then what is radius under? Mission? Nope. Shape. Thank you. I can use all the luck. All the luck available for creating this game. Shape. I'm assuming I have to do the same thing here. Shape module. Oh, nope, that's good. Then shape radius. And then I'm assuming because these are structs, I have to reapply them. Boy, it better let me do that. Fuck. Should have expected as much. Cannot be assigned to is read only. Well, what am I supposed to do then? Accessing module properties. Particle system properties are grouped by modules they belong to. I figured that out. Properties are structs but do not behave like normal C# structs. Okay. They're simply interfaces directly. They are simply interfaces directly into the native code. So it is important to know how to use them. Okay. Key differences is that it is not necessary to assign the structs back to the particle system component. Ah. Okay. When you set a property on a module struct, Unity immediately assigns that value to the particle system. Okay. I guess that fixes the issue I was going to run into. Apply fire. Medium fire. High fire. And I guess default low fire. just hit play. Well, that's annoying. Oh, what? Why did you stop? It just plays once. Why? Alright, just in case. Maybe it has something to do with that. Fuck. It does, apparently. Now, why is it like that? Is it still set to 0? Rate over time, 0. Well, maybe that's why. 0.825.21. That was it. Okay. It applied the default values to the radius, so I figured it would assign the default values to all of them. I copy component, and then base values. Okay. Medium. Ooh, that is a big difference. Oh, I still have them come. I do. God damn it. All right, back at it. Maybe I should try to make this fire a little better. Because I don't think this current particle system is designed to be like a constant fire. It seems more like, I don't know, it's supposed to disappear over time. Oops. Fuck. There's just so many things to change in the particle system. I feel like it's gonna take a long time to refine what I want it to change, want it to look like. Right. Low's fine for now, I guess. Radius is not fine. 0.5. Whoa! Actually, it doesn't look too bad changing from one fire size to the other. And I think it's because the new particle variables or the changed particle variables only affect newly created particles. So it kind of just ends up being a much more gradual thing. High flame. Uh, 7. Yes. 35. I guess these particles probably would be sticking through the cauldron. But since they're billboards, they just rotate with you, so it doesn't seem like it. flames are huge. Opponent value. Oh, this is probably gonna look a little unsafe when the flames are big. And I gotta jam my hands right into the middle of the fire. Assuming I eventually add hand models. Oop. Should cook the potion a little bit longer. Up. Everybody gets potions. Didn't I try to change the speed of this so that it's lower or a slower speed when it's further away? I don't remember what issue I was running into for why I decided to not do that. Man, maybe I should just have no fire for the low fire. Maybe if I can have some like glowing charcoal for the look of low fire / no fire. I don't know. I just spent an hour looking at the fire particles. I think I'm done for now. I know I didn't do a whole lot, but these particle systems, I'm not used to them. Never used them before. Alright, well, goodbye.